Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your biology class. So, today we have to proceed the next portion of the human excretory system. So, in this portion, we can study here the all details structurally of human excretory system. So, let us look at into this, what it contain and how functioning the human excretory system. So students, human excretory system can be classified or can be having, it is having certain parts of the human excretory system that you can see here in the slide. Pair of kidneys, there are two kidneys are there in the excretory system. So pair of kidney, right? From the kidney, the filtrate, after the filtration, the excretory waste will be passed through a tube that is called ureter. Of course, two kidneys are there means two ureter. So pair of ureters is there. Then urinary bladder. In urinary bladder, where the urine is going to be stored, the kidney is the organ which synthesizes the urine, which release the excretory waste in the form of urine, and that urine is stored in the urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder, an opening, that is the urethra, by which the stored urine is going to be released out of the body. So this is the contained, this is the part of human excretory system. So students, please, we can study now the entire human excretory system one by one in detail. So let us proceed. This is an a view. You can see here two kidneys are there, right? Two kidneys and inferior vena cava, a tube, a vessels, blood vessels which supply blood kidney to the heart, right? And kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra, all those things here in the diagram you may see, and you can also please draw this diagram. Then structure of a kidney. When we look at the structure design of a kidney, so how it is, let us see. Reddish brown bean shaped structure enclosed in the tough three layer fibrous capsule. So the kidney of the human being ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫೈಬ್ರಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಫೈಬ್ರಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬೀನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ರೆಡ್ಡಿಶ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್? It is situated between the level of last thoracic and third lumbar vertebra. Thoracic the last ಮತ್ತು third lumbar vertebra ನಲ್ಲಿ in between those ribs you can see the situation presence of in those thoracic vertebrae, lumbar the ಮೂರನೇದು ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಥೊರಾಸಿಕ್ ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ದ ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can see the presence of kidney. Here the length is about 10 to 12 centimeter. ಇದು ಅದರದ್ದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇದೆ. width 5 to 7 centimeter and thickness about 2 to 3 centimeter is the thickness. On our average, the weight about the kidney of a adult man 120 to 170 grams. This is an average weight of a kidney. Okay, so you can see here in the diagram also. Then internally, when we anatomically when we cut the structure, we cut the diagram, we cut the tissue, we cut the organ. What is the internal labeling, internal part of the kidney? You can see here on concave. We know what do you mean convex and concave. On concave side of the kidney, on concave side of the kidney, there is an opening is known as hilum. ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, hilum ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Hilum is a opening. Hilum is a opening, right? Through which ಅದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ನರ್ವ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲಿಂಫಾಟಿಕ್ ಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯೂರೇಟರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ದ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಬೈ ಎ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ on concave phase of the kidney, that is the hilum. Then hilum lead into a funnel shaped cavity called renal pelvis, right? Renal pelvis is a space, is a cavity. Renal pelvis lead by hilum. Hilum lead into this cavity, that is renal pelvis, with projection into called calyces. Calyces means different parts. Hilum is the opening, renal pelvis is a space, and that lead into the different canals. Those are called calyces. Those are called calyces, and major calyces, minor calyces are there. You can see in the diagram also, right? Then the kidney has outer cortex, inner medulla. In the diagram you can see the outer layer is cortex and inner space is a medulla. Medulla has a few conical projection called renal pyramids. It is in the diagram under the red circle. Renal pyramids are the medullary structure of the kidney, right? Projection into the calyces, and that is projection into the calyces. Cortex is the outermost extent in between the medullary pyramid, which is called renal column, or we can say column of Bertani. It is called column of Bertani. So students, please, you have to follow the notes also. Yes, you make it down, take it down. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಇದು ಏನು ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್, you just write it down. Okay, I hope you got this point, you can understand. Suppose any doubt, please students come to the college with your safety. Now it is a structural kidney at a glance. You can see here the kidneys. Only you draw this diagram, no need to draw this any diagram. Okay, you draw this diagram only. This diagram only. Okay, so I hope you people can easily understood the remaining parts, the remaining nephrons, the remaining structure, remaining functions of the kidney or excretory system will be continue in our next class. So students, I hope you people can get this. Okay, till then be carefully. Thank you.